So the first recipe that we are going to be doing is called the Truffles with hazelnut. I'm using Turkish hazelnuts. So as per the recipe, we have dark chocolate, I have some cream, and I have some butter. So what we are going to be doing when we do truffles is make a ganache. So a ganache is basically a mix of chocolate and cream. The proportion that we are going to do is 2 and 1. So 2 of chocolate, 1 of cream. So it's 500 grams and 250 grams. First, what we're going to do is we're going to heat up the cream. I'm using a microwave. I have taken the chocolate, which I have chopped up into smaller pieces. What this does is, it melts the chocolate faster. I will start stirring this, and as you can see, with the heat of the cream, the chocolate starts melting immediately. In case at this moment, if you feel that there are still a little bit of lumps, you can just put it back into the microwave for it to melt out and the lumps to go. Next step that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the butter, put this inside. The butter gives it a little more richness and a little more buttery taste. Stir this till the butter has fully melted and incorporated into the ganache. Now, as you can see, it is all melted. This mixture, I will just cover it with a cling or a plate, whatever is comfortable with you. This goes into the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. We want it to be really chilled so that it is set, and that's how we'll be able to make the balls out of this mixture. So what we're going to be doing next is, while the mixture is chilling, I have it ready, but we need to have the hazelnuts chopped. The hazelnuts have been lightly roasted. After about 3 to 4 hours, the chocolate will be set like this. At this moment, I just take a little oil in my hands. I do not want to oil them, but as you can see, it's very little. I will take a small portion and roll it up. I will be taking the hazelnuts which have been chopped up. I'm just rolling it around. So what happens is, the nuts have coated it properly. I'm keeping the paper cup ready. As you can see, the nuts have coated it. This we can put in the paper cups and do the rest of the